Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cody W, and this is the worst slime package. But I transferred it into a bowl because it was too small and it was clumpy. But okay, I'm gonna tell you what slime this is. It's supposed to be a white fluffy slime, but instead, guys, it's this. I don't really know what this is. Like, I don't really know what this clumpy thing is, and I ordered it from Quiet Toy Collection. Not the one that I could fit. It's so hard. Okay. Might use this for Model Magic, but I don't think Model Magic is gonna work. But this isn't slime, it's like clumpy clay. I can't even play with it or stretch it. At least give me Play-Doh or something instead of this. Like this, you can't even play with it, but it does have good texture. It does have a nice feeling. And see guys, look. So worst slime package ever. I'm gonna give it a real click up and then wash my hands. Hi guys. I don't like it because this isn't slime. It's like so clumpy. So this is, oh no. Sorry guys, hold on. I'm gonna wash my hands. Sorry. Bye guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, comment when you guys are done. See you guys later. Bye.